How's it going, people? Today I have a Jordan for you, and it is the Jordan Max Aura 3. Now the official colorway to this particular sneaker is the wolf grey, white, cool grey. Now the reason that this particular one caught my attention is because they remind me of the Jordan 11 cool greys. I'm just gonna put a picture up here from the Jordan 11 cool greys, and you guys can just judge by yourself. Now the number 9 represents the Michael Jordan's jersey back in 1984 during the Olympics, and the way the Team USA jersey numbering system went, they went from number 4 to number 15, and he just basically opted for number 9 because he couldn't get the 23. So yeah, okay, now bit of history for you. Anyways guys, let's carry on with the on feet. Now on feet, these are comfortable. Now I have a little bit of problem with these, and that's due to the fact the toe area is just a little bit too stiff for me. I can't seem to be able to crease. Like it just feels weird walking in them for me personally. So I'm guessing this is how it feels. Crease protectors on. How do you guys do it? How is this comfortable? I will show you guys in a minute. Even when I try to crease them, I can't seem to bend my feet all the way down properly, if that makes sense. In order for me to crease the toe area, it's just a bit too stiff, and that makes it a little less comfortable to walk in. But yeah, I mean, crease wise, I don't see a problem. The only place I could see getting creased is the shiny pattern leather on the front. That may get creased very quickly, but the rest of the toe area, the toe box, I think will just hold up just fine. But yeah guys, that's it for today. That's it with these sneakers. But let me know below, would you cop one? If not, why not? And if you have one, tell me what you love or what you hate about these, and I will see you guys on the next one.